What's going on? I know it's been a minute. As you can see, your boy been working. Garage looks horrible. I probably pulled out of every tool I ever had. But the car is running great. Still on stock tune. Just air raid. And then we got the long tubes in there with the heat boots, whatever you call those, spark plug boots. Then we got new tires in. Got the Eagle F1 asymmetric 2s, 285, 35, 19. Nothing special on that, but man, when I tell you I got parts everywhere, parts are everywhere. Got new AC Delco, trans filter, AC Delco, trans gasket. Let me see. Damn it, get off. It's coming in this room. More parts, I'm not going to explain those, but then I got 8 quarts of trans fluid. I'm serious, man. I got parts every fucking where. Excuse the mess. We got a new AFCO heat exchanger. Got a GP tuning, 2.5 cam. Then you got a big box of goodies here. You got a milling oil pump, valve springs, FIC injectors, green belt, 2/4 pulley, dog bone tensioner, ARP head studs, crank bolt, tensioners. Let me see. Trying to get a good view of shit. Head gaskets, exhaust gaskets, timing cover gaskets, Johnson lifters. Timing chain, water pump gaskets. I'm sure forgetting a lot. Oh yeah, oil lifter trays, OEM, spark plugs. There's easily $4,000 in parts around this house. And like I said, I told you guys, I've really been working. Check this out. So the car went in, customer states rattle and supercharger. They wasted no time. Brand new supercharger. Insulator, gaskets, coolant, even gave me an oil change. Then the core returns 300, I have nothing to do with that. Then there was one more issue. Customer stated, where are you at? Oh yeah, new belts too, new tensioners. Stated issues with my diff. Customer stated suspension very soft. Of course, these struts go out. I know I need all new suspension, to be honest with you. But then check this out. Second page. Brand new diff. Where are you at? Yeah. Brand new diff carrier. $2,500. New lubricant, additive. All I had to pay was $266. Brand new supercharger, brand new diff, all new coolant, oil change, all new fluids for the diff and the additive. You can't beat that. You really can't beat that. The car, obviously, warranty is gonna be voided because of the headers, but it'll be fine. I'll just go ahead and take it off now. Other than that, guys, that's really it. Not sure if I told you guys, I did use the Speed Engineering headers. Literally less than $600 for 2-inch headers, 3-inch midsection all the way back. Took me about 16 hours to put it in, but it sounds amazing. I wouldn't have it any other way. Other than that, I know we'll need extra fueling, so I'm looking at DSX aux pump, DSX E85 sensor. I really just want the car to put down about 650 wheel. I'm gonna reinforce the brick sometime this week and put the heat exchanger in and the upper pulley and the new belt and new tensioner. Get that tuned, and then I'll start getting myself ready for the cam kit. Other than that, that's it. Car is running amazing. Other than that, I'll catch y'all later. Give me about a week or two.